So hey guys, if you watched my last video, you can see I made a new creation called the Giga Killer. I'll be adding it to the workshop, but today I made a new creation called the Hell 2.0. This is the Hell 2.0. It is the upgraded version of the, you guessed it, no, not GI, the Hell. So this is the original. This is the new. The deadliest part about the Hell 2.0 is its tail, as you might already tell, and its front. It's technically a raptor, but more clingy. I'll be adding these two creations to the workshop today, and if you haven't checked my last creations, there's also the shield, the bulletproof monstrosity. I've been demonstrating this. We also got, you guessed it, the Abomination. Also new creation today. This is extremely powerful. One shot the Hell. Let me just demonstrate for you how powerful each one of these creations are. So welcome to the new episode of ARBS. This is Rexy OP. Today I'll be doing the newest video of ARBS. Let's go! So let's start with the Abomination. So if it could, this is how strong it is. Here's our Hell 2.0. Instantaneously dead. Almost instantaneously, I don't know what happened. No. This. Sorry you guys have to witness this. I'm just gonna get demonetized down there. I'm getting demonetized. No, not down there. No. And if you're wondering, yes, it can kill the Giga. Without any questions. GI, my favorite Giga. Here's it. So instantly, the Giga will try to bite, but at the same time, it's being punched by fists of claws. Yeah, I think the Giga's AI is broken. Oh, no, he's pushing back. Yeah, it can kill a Giga without any problem. You could probably tell. So that's the G, and that's the Abomination. You might be wondering, what is a shield? What does the shield do? It's bulletproof. All it does is be bulletproof. This is called the Shield 2, because the Shield 1 sucks. I am not joking. Here's 3 army members. Oh god, you saw that. I'm cutting that out. 2, 3, go. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Not even a drop in health. These things are invincible. Now, we're also getting presenting the Giga Killer. If you've seen my last video, I recommend you skip this part. So, you already guessed that it kills a Giga. What else did you expect? It's in the name, Giga. Giga Killer. Giga Killer. I practiced this unit to perfection. Till perfection. That's how much I practiced this unit. They could go bite its head a lot. Spikes to the head. They could go bite the top a lot. Spikes all over its top. They could go try to bite its head. Armor. You see, because of all this armor, it freaks out, allowing it to escape from the Giga. That's gonna be you can tell the Giga will be losing, and this thing is in rock armor. It isn't even trying to attack the Giga now. this game is perfected.
انضم لمغامرة ماريو على OSN Plus يعرض في 29 ديسمبر.
This place is...
Skip. We go down. I'm gonna turn off my Wi-Fi after this. So those are my creations that I'm going to be uploading to the workshop right now. Make sure you go ahead and download them. And make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.